concept with his torque. Just got the keys to the new Demolition Derby car for Cleetus and Cars, so let's go check it out. Dominic picked it out, said it's a sweet whip. So I'm pretty excited to see what we can do to it. This time, luckily, we got it 3 weeks early so we can do more modification. We always end up getting it like a couple days before and then we never have any time to do anything to it. So. Well, there it is. Let's hop in this bad boy and see how she sounds. Oh, right away I see the nice theft deterrence we got here. Okay, no key needed for that. The moment of truth. And she purrs like a kitten. Oh yeah, that's normal, natural. Maybe that's why he's got multiple bottles of stuff back here to keep filling it up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got a bunch of goodies in here. Oh yeah. Definitely going on the dash. Right there. Perfect. Gonna super glue that on. Well, I think there's only one thing we can do now, and that's a burnout. That's what I'm talking about. Still smoking. We may have to enter it in the burnout competition too, just judging by the one wheel peeler it just pulled off. I mean, how long do you think that burnout mark is? Look at that. No lack of horsepower here with this one. 240K on the clock, no big deal. I mean, you hear her, she purrs like a kitten. She's got all the power. She's ready to go. Suspension's great.
Smooth. Man.
It's just a good driving truck. So this is definitely going to be what we need to get it done. First modification right here. We got to get Pikachu looking mean on here. It definitely ran down the front there.
Well, it's only like 127 degrees out here. Pikachu might melt by the time Cleetus and Cars comes around.
I'm gonna hit it with multiple rounds of the glue because we can't be losing this sweetness. Would this thing get peppered down with a shotgun or what? Shoot, how does this happen?
I don't even have words for that. What was chewing on him there?
I don't know. Probably a person. Yeah, so she's a good truck. Good. You hit the dumpster, bro. You hit the dumpster. I just had to know she was back far enough. Is
the dumpster okay?
What's up guys, Russell here with Texas Speed. Today I'm going to be with you over at RST Motors. Omar over here is working on shop truck, putting in the new suspension, and I also brought our 14 and up truck headers to get fitted into the truck as well. Hopefully that all fits and we can make that work, but we'll see. We got the C-notch fixed up and he's done some powder coating on some of the suspension parts as well. So that's what I'm going to show you today.
yeah, there's a cow and a donkey. There's cows in there. Oh yeah, there's all kinds.
Look at that big old beef.
Hey.
It's a beast of a cow.
I feel like Michael Knight, dude.
Sounds like a powerful beast.
No, we're good.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Yep. That's good stuff. He's a machine.
This thing's nuts.
I think I got stabbed by this fork.
By this fork. Can't see down there. I don't want to careen into him.
Yep, everything looks good. I wish we could find a sweet jump.
That one's not bad. There's my arch nemesis.
The donkey.
Oh yeah, he's looking thin though. Hope he's eating. Look, I know we're not on the best of terms. Oh, he's with his crew. No.
He's coming over.
Of course he's coming over, and he won't move. He'll stop your truck from leaving. I know that bastard.
All right, time for an episode of Texas Speed Custom Exhaust Shop 101. So we got a horrible exhaust here. I got a hammer here I borrowed from Jeremy Clarkson, and we're gonna see if we can get some stuff done here. No, that's not gonna work.
Got Thor's hammer here. You ready, Seth? That's not gonna work.
Give her the hammer.
We're off the first part.
Let me see if I can. There, go ahead and lift her up.
Okay, push forward.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are these
Now we
gonna
have to go
come
this way, to the back.
Oh yeah. Exhaust removal 101.
That muffler's still good. I mean, what year is this truck?
2010.
2010? Alright. See if I could cut it. We could dyno this.
Yeah, I don't know about that. sounds like a lot of work.
Is this a throttle body? Yeah, it has to be. I could send it back. Oh, you already flipped the air cleaner?
Dominic's first mod, bro.